Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 9 of November. I've been tracking all my points every day and doing a what I eat in a day to help me stay accountable for the month of November. So if you'd like to see what I eat today on the WW Personal Points Plan, be sure to watch this video. Today's breakfast is another breakfast sandwich. I have the 2-point Thomas's light English muffin for 2 points. I have 1 egg, and I have 2 points for the ready cooked bacon, and 1 point for the Velveeta cheese, and 1 point for my iced coffee. So the sandwich is going to be 5 points, and the coffee is 1, so this breakfast is 6 points. I like these English muffins. They are, these are the kind of muffins I use, the light multi-grain. They are really good, and you can use them for sandwiches, making pizza, just about anything that you could use bread for. So that's my breakfast. So for lunch today, I had a frozen macaroni and cheese from Trader Joe's. It's the light version. It's 10 points. And then I had 4 points worth of the Just Bare chicken nuggets with 0 points worth of barbecue sauce. So this lunch was 14 points. For a snack, I'm having a bag of these Quest tortilla style protein chips. They are 3 points for this bag. And I'm having a Diet Pepsi with that. So that is a snack before I have dinner. For dinner, we brought in some Thai food, which I never had before. It wasn't that good. I had a spring roll for 4 points. I had 8 points worth of that pad thai, I think it's called, and some shrimp fried rice for 4 points. I like to plan my foods better. Another temptation in my life. This is what I have to go through. What are they called? Crumble cookies. Well, today was the day I gave into that temptation. I ended up having a taste of some of those crumble cookies. It was my daughter's birthday, and I just couldn't say no. I tried those cookies. I had a little bite of the different kinds. I think there was 4 different kinds, but I really liked the strawberry cake one, and I figured out the points for it, and it was 46 points for 1 cookie. Unbelievable. Filled with sugar and butter. But I tracked everything I ate. I had 59 points today. That is bad. But I did have weeklies. I do have weeklies left, so I was fine with that. But man, it was a tough day. So we'll do better tomorrow. Well, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy. Not today. Get fit and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.